We've come a long way so far, but we need to make some adjustments using media queries in our main.css file. Doing so will ensure that this landing page looks great on all devices. So just to do one more quick run through, we can see just some slight issues that we will definitely fix. So to begin, let's go ahead and go to our main CSS, and here at the bottom I'm going to create a media query of media max width of 550 pixels. And the very first order of business, we'll start from the top, is going to be the logo. So the ID that we gave it was logo, and we want to center align it and also push it away from the bottom menu or the navigation. So display block, we'll text align center, and then margin bottom will be 1 rem. Okay, much better. Now I do want to adjust and kind of change how this particular menu appears. Right now it looks fine, but this is kind of a larger viewport width. If I end up shrinking this down a little bit more, we'll see it doesn't look very good in this manner. So first we're going to reference the unordered list element, UL. We're going to make the width 100%. After that, the list item elements will display block with the 100% and a margin at the top of 1 pixels, 0, 0, 0, and also padding will be 0. So if we save this, we'll see now that they are stacked vertically. However, these still don't look that good. The alignment is way off. So next, we'll reference our header UL LIA, and we'll put in margin left of 0. All right, so now it's starting to come along a little bit better. Also, we're going to put in a width of 100%. We'll display block. We'll give it a border as well of 1 pixel solid, light gray. And then they're all kind of scrunched up, so let's give it a padding of 5 pixels. Okay, so this looks good, but it's a little bit busy down here with this border. So let's go ahead and fix that by using last child. So to do that, header UL LI. So we're going to choose the very last LI element with last child. And we're going to put in border bottom of 0, as well as padding bottom of 0. All right, great. So that's much better. Now let's also reference our padding in padding 2 classes. Right now there's a lot of unnecessary padding throughout here. So let's go ahead and fix that. We're going to set padding to padding top of just 1.5 EMs. And that brings it up. And then also padding 2, padding top of 3 EM. And that pushes this up just a little bit. Okay, next, let's also adjust our headings so that we can center align them. We'll also add in any of the paragraph elements as well. So H1, we're using H2 and H3 as well as the paragraph. Text align center. All right. We're almost there, but still just a couple adjustments to make. So we're also going to reference our plate. We're going to put in float none. Important. Otherwise, on a slightly larger viewport, they start to float to the elements. And let's also reference our CTA button right here. Width of 100% and margin bottom of 4 rem units. Much better. Okay. So let's go ahead and extend this and check to see if there's any other issues. Right here we can definitely see an issue. This is more on a tablet size, and you definitely wouldn't want this occurring. So let's go ahead and fix that real quickly. So I'm going to bring this over here just a bit, and we'll create a new media query for this. This will be at media, max width of 750 pixels. And here we'll put in H1. We're going to turn down the font size to 2.5 EM. And then also we'll reference the plate, and we'll push it over even further by float right. All right, great. So now that looks much, much better. Awesome. Now that our layout is complete, we're going to look into optimizing this layout even further.